What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and we can see today, it does look as though after a small bit of, uncertainty and retracement here, it looks as though that we are actually having another very nice green day, aren't we? We pumped all the way up to around 142 a few days ago, and then all the way up to 150 before that retracement. Came back down to about around 125 to backtest support. Pretty much perfectly here, didn't we? And then obviously today, back up at 143 at the time recording this video, looking very nice for a bit of continuation. And a lot of cryptos today are doing this. You can see we had a decent pullback. It does look as though we have formed a nice little W bottom here actually, and we've come back up to where we formed it. Looks as though we're currently stuck under this resistance still. But things looking really good on our hourly time frame. Obviously Polygon's a token that's done very well recently. Came down to that 618 fib extension which we talked about. Came all the way up, broke out of resistance. We came up and we've ground really nicely sideways for a while, haven't we? Forming a lot of support. A very nice amount of support consolidating under that resistance. And then obviously we had that little pop up all the way up to around 150 to around this level here. And we obviously had that little retracement back down here to retest a previous swing high as support. Really good to see. And now it looks as though we're coming back up with Bitcoin showing a lot of strength as well. We've come all the way back up, haven't we? Back up to around, that 141. I mean, we're at 143 right now. Currently looking as though we want to be coming up and testing this high at 148, don't we? For that continuation. Having that nice little pullback and back test does seem as though it's given Polygon a bit more juice in the tank for a potential continuation. And obviously, if we start to break out of this level here, the next target will be that 170 level. So pretty much the last key resistance, isn't it, before we start heading up to some really nice price targets up here, this $2 level. Also, when you break out of this falling wedge, like we always talk about, take a look at our daily time frame here so it's easier to see. We've been talking about this ad nauseum for essentially, the past, 3 months. Essentially, we're coming down, forming this this bullish descending wedge for that reversal pattern. We got the fake out to the downside to absolutely wreck everybody. That was an absolutely incredibly crazy move down to the 618. Fake out to the downside, move up, breaking resistance, consolidating under resistance, breaking, back testing as support, running up to here. Obviously, when you break out of this descending wedge here, you always, your technical target is where you formed it, which technically, would be up at this 130. This 230 level, sorry, maybe even this 270 level, the all-time high, depending on how far up you draw this wedge. And you can see it's quite clearly been respected very nicely, really, hasn't it? You can see it's been coming down here. Obviously the fake out to the downside. Now we're getting the bounce, and Polygon currently looking as though it really wants to get up ahead of steam, because had this massive pump, really nice consolidation under resistance, flipped into support, obviously off to the races here. Bit of a back test here of this previous swing low. This previous swing high, sorry. Back testing onto these levels here. Really bullish for continuation. And now it looks as though we are challenging those local highs that we've made again here. Currently at 143. So looking really good for continuation, aren't we? You can see here on the hourly chart. Bit of a pullback. This WW shaped bottom. Big pump to the upside. Now consolidating. It seems as though we are consolidating under this resistance. And if we do come up and start testing this level here around 148, we would anticipate a bit of a continuation pattern. And, Polygon is getting quite overbought right now, which is a little bit of a concern for us. But Polygon, unlike a lot of cryptos, has actually come up and made a lot of key structure here. So if we did roll over, we would have a really nice amount of structure to fall back on, wouldn't we? Not to mention this flip bullish of our EMAs. Basically, everything's looking really good, isn't it? Looking really good for continuation for Polygon. Obviously, we're just chopping it up right now in this area here, trying to decide which direction we want to go. But as we said, if we do come up to that 148 level, do anticipate a run to around that 170 level here, which would be our next price target for the short term. But if we do roll over, the EMAs are going to be good support, so doing something like this. And obviously that previous swing high, we would be looking at around 120 for a key level of support, which would probably coincide nicely with the 20 EMA as it starts to come up as well. Not to mention this 55 will probably be very nice support as well at around 110, 115. So things looking really good for Polygon. A quick look at the weekly time frame will show you that we were nowhere near a bear market whatsoever. We've actually held the 20 moving average on our weekly time frame really nicely here, and we're starting to pick up again. So things looking really bullish for continuation. And in the short term, if we take a look at our hourly time frame here, as we said, currently looks as though we are chopping it up here underneath resistance, consolidating potentially for that run up. And if we did break out, we would be anticipating that 170 level potentially in the next few days. And as we said, if we do start to roll over, we could be looking at, this level here as a good bit of support at 125, or as low as these previous resistance as support. Previous swing highs at around that 120 level as well. So Matic looking really good. We do strongly believe this project is probably going to be $5 to $10 by the end of the bull run. And if we do a quick Fibonacci pull here, if my fib pull actually wants to work, let's just do this from here to here. You can see getting up into that $10 level, very, very achievable, going into that 161, 227 area, about halfway between them. I think the 161 coincides with around $6.70 here. So that $5 mark, that 141 extension, very, very achievable in our opinion. I mean, Polygon's absolutely been blasting past all expectations recently, hasn't it? But let's just take a look for argument's sake what it did on its last impulsive move up. We actually, blasted way past the 227 here. So it's pretty clear that, Polygon is it's just absolutely run away with things recently, hasn't it? You can see quite clearly it's been on an absolute tear. And, we do strongly think that with a project with a market cap that's still only, 4 or 5 billion potentially. I think that's off the top of my head. You'll have to cross-reference that. But we do strongly think that, Polygon with a market cap as low as it is, with all of the ecosystem that it's now developing and growing, in the long term, it's probably going to do extremely well. By the end of the bull run, we probably do think $5 to $10 is a realistic price target. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.